So, if you guys have been hanging out in my streams recently, you've probably heard me talk about this new thing I'm working on. I've got a new project I'm doing, and it just came in today. I want you guys to see it. Haven't done anything to it yet. I want you guys to see firsthand what it looks like right off the truck. So it just arrived. Everything is exactly as it was when I grabbed it off the truck. Bumpers aren't attached here. Bumpers aren't attached in the back, but I have both the bumpers. Bumpers are right there. We got some parts inside the truck. So rims are not the same. The previous owner, he took it from his dad. He wanted to make them both like that. What I'm gonna be doing, I've already purchased these rims. I purchased them last night. They should be here in the next week. Is I'm gonna make them more like the original style rims. Thinking about maybe painting the actual steel part. I've got original hubcaps that belong on a custom cab. I'm gonna get some new tires and go some white walls, I think. That's gonna be the first things we do. Need to get some new tires in the truck. This obviously needs to come off. It's just, wrapped for transit. I'll show you this. Here's the inside of the cab. It's not great. Needs a little bit of work. It's not bad though. Everything looks pretty decent. This is the original paint. So the truck was repainted by the previous owner. Not the guy I bought it from, but his dad, who he got it from. It was painted by him. And it was painted in the original color. I'm not gonna repaint it just yet. I don't think that's in the plans for right now. Probably keep it the same as is. Get some of the other stuff done, and then after that, decide if that's something we want to do in the future. Gonna replace the windows, driver's side, passenger side, door windows need to be replaced. Right now it's a plexiglass, but we'll swap it out to real glass. Just doesn't look great, that just needs to be taken care of. Probably redo some of the seals on the truck. Get a new radio system. Radio's missing, antenna's not here. Need to get those replaced. Just got it, just pulled it into the garage, so I've driven it here for about 50 feet. Was able to drive out a little bit up north when I went to go check it out, but it's pretty. It's pretty, and I'm excited for what we get to do with this. This is gonna be a fun truck. All right, so kind of started unloading some stuff on this. Got some of the parts over there. One thing I noticed is we're missing a little bit of paint right up there. Looks like it came off in transit, unfortunately. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Looks like it just kind of came off in transit, unfortunately. Paint job is not great on this thing. Looks great from a distance, but you get up close, you can see there's parts where it was definitely done by someone who's not a professional. This was made to be a truck that the guy who actually owned this vehicle, not the person I bought it from, but his dad, would take to town, 3 miles to town with his dog, go get some groceries, come back, and he would do that about once or twice a week. That's all it was made for. It wasn't meant to be a show truck. We're gonna turn it into something a little bit prettier. I think it is great right now. It's got all the original emblems on it. It is a good truck. Just a couple things here and there I need to work on and make it look really pretty. Interior's not great. Needs some work, for sure. You can see there's a little bit of surface rust on the base of the truck. Gauges mostly work okay. Speedometer does not work. I need to get speedometer attached. You've got, it's not a manual. It's not a 3 on the tree. It is automatic right there. Missing the original original radio, I mean. Gonna need to get a new radio put in place. I'm gonna see what I can do to find a radio that matches the original interior. I don't know how possible that is. I haven't really investigated that too much. I've been focused more on other essential parts first. But I'm gonna see if I can do that. If we can get an original radio in. So I realize I haven't shown you the engine bay yet. Not exactly pretty, but mostly original. It is very original. Obviously, battery's not. Like I said, not super pretty in the back, you can see. But I mean, look at this thing. This is pretty cool. We got some stuff we're gonna do to this. I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited about this. So this is day one, week one of this truck. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for the truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, let me know. If you want to see some more of this, let me know. I plan on doing some updates if you guys are interested in them. Either way, I'm gonna be working on the truck. So if you want to see what's going on with it, I'll keep you guys posted. That's it for me though. I will see you guys later, probably in an OCRP video or stream or something like that. Thanks guys.